How to get Wise Card. Want a card that lets you spend worldwide with real exchange rates? Let's walk through how to get your Wise Card step by step. So, step one, go ahead and open up your Wise account and then sign up through the app or website with your name, email, and address. Now verify your identity. Upload a valid government ID if required proof of address. This ensures your account is secure. Head over into the cards tab and then select get a card at the top right. And then scroll down and you should find the option to buy a physical card. Click on it and then select get your physical card. So to be able to get this, you'll need to pay the fees first. And once you have paid the fees, Wise will then immediately send over the card you ordered to the registered address on your Wise account. Now you can activate your card with a chip and PIN transaction or by entering the activation code. You can now spend globally with transparent exchange rates and instant notifications. Getting your Wise card is simple. Open an account, verify your ID, add funds, order the card, and activate it. And that is how to get Wise card.